Alright, welcome back to Chunks Life. Today we have something new in a box. And if you know what this is, you're awesome. Well, here we go. Let's get this bad boy open. Yeah. Excuse me if I stab myself. I have been waiting for this for so long. We've got some paper, bit more paper, bit more paper. There for a second. We have this connecting pipe. We have this, another bit of connecting pipe. Some fixings. Very cool. More paper, just what we like. And then there's this. I believe that's everything. So this, life back, where do I put it? Is what I've been waiting for. Yeah, I'm loving it already. This is my new exhaust on my bike. It goes underneath, it's lightweight, even though it's stainless steel. Baffle's still in at the moment, but I've got the Scorpion Red Power for my Aprilia RS4. And they brag that it gives nearly 2 brake horsepower to the bike. So, I don't know, let's have a look at some of the other bits. Obviously, there you're fixing to get it on. This is the attachment that mounts it to the actual existing downpipe part. So, it's kind of cool. It's all hand welded, if you can see. It's one of the things that Scorpion brag. It looks pretty cool. They offer, like, I've watched them be dyno tested. They've got them on video, dyno testing it all. And it did produce the power. So basically, if I'm right, this actually attaches here where the baffle is. It goes over there and out from the side like that, because this sits in the fairing. But I may be tempted to not have it in the fairing. So anyway, this is my cool little update of my new exhaust on my bike, and in the next video or so you should see it on the bike, or I may even make a video fitting it. Okay, so take it easy. See you later. Ciao.